I am Abiola Jackson. We have the entertainment news and celebrity gossip. This is for Sunday, February the 23rd. We have in the news reportedly barred from practicing law in New York City after after the Jay-Z Diddy lawsuit. So, Tony Buzbee, after attorney Tony Buzbee and his client dropped a sexual assault lawsuit against Jay-Z and Diddy, it seems like he will face more consequences. According to Loren LaRosa, a former senior news producer at TMZ, lawyer can no longer practice law in the Southern District of New York. That includes the New York, Bronx, Westchester, Rockland, Putnam, Orange, Dutchess, Sullivan State counties. This is including the 5 boroughs of New York City. So Buzbee filed over a dozen other individual cases against the bad boy Mungle, in particular NYC, alleging various forms of misconduct on behalf of the clients. So per this update from Loren Larsa, Tony Buzbee can no longer litigate cases. Shout out to, courtesy of this news, hotnewhiphop.com. So fair use, fair use, fair use. Forgot to mention that earlier. So Buzbee reportedly filed one request to do so on January 29th of this year, only because Jay-Z and Diddy sexual assault lawsuit accused him of this negligence. So following the request, the committee denied his application to practice. So as you can see here, the decision was made by the Committee on Grievances for the SDNY, not a judge. Wanted to correct my issue of judge here. So if you can see all that here. So furthermore, this reportedly means that Tony Buzbee must include the letter by denying his admission every time he applies to practice in the Southern District of New York. As such, at press time, it's unknown what will happen with the other cases he filed against Sean Combs on behalf of accusers. So one of Diddy's lawyers withdrew from his federal trial. According to alleged sources, this became an internal conflict with the defense team and disagreements over how to handle the case. This, however, is just speculation as the writing of this article. So folks are probably wondering whether or not dropping Hove, that's Jay-Z, and the Diddy sexual assault lawsuit has anything to do with Tony Buzbee's inability to practice law in New York City. Jay-Z accused him of blackmail and launched other legal moves against him, so we're sure this saga is not done. Perhaps the near future will hold more direct and explicit explanations as to how to handle this connection. So we'll see what happens going forward. So we'll see what Tony Buzbee has up his sleeve, if he's going to come back with something else. You never know. I mean, it looks like from the reports here that the lawsuit has been dropped. That's what it looks like here. It's been dropped because Buzbee can't practice law in New York, in the state of New York. But we'll see how Buzbee's going to handle this and what he's going to do in response to this. So it's not. I don't think, to me, it's not quite over yet, in my opinion. Quite over yet, in my opinion. That's what I see. I mean, you never know. He might have something up his sleeve to counteract what the courts and judges have told Buzbee. You never know. I wouldn't rule anything out with Buzbee. I wouldn't rule anything out. You never know. I mean, it might be a small celebration amongst some or others that the lawsuit was dropped because Buzbee can't practice in New York or in the state of New York. But I mean, you never know. Maybe he has other ways to get around it. Who knows? You never know. I mean, I wouldn't rule anything out. We'll see what happens. I mean, these next coming weeks, we'll see. You never know. Don't have nothing much to say about this. This is all I got to say about this. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Comment and let me know. Just let me know. Give me your thoughts and opinions on this. So we'll see how it goes. And for more entertainment news and celebrity gossip, you know where to come. Come to this channel, subscribe, and hit the like button for more information on this. All right. And once again, shout out to hotnewhiphop.com. Shout out to them for courtesy of this this news information on Tony Buzbee. I mean, shout out to those guys. All right. Until next time, peace. Take care.